Hello students, in this video we are going to perform hypothesis test for one population proportion and which is mentioned in question number 5 of lab 7. Test the hypothesis at the 0.05 significance level that the majority of workers earns less than $70. That's test for one population proportion. H naught P equals 0.5, H1 P exceeds 0.5 because majority occurs, or we consider majority anything as when the percentage of the exceeds 50 or proportion exceeds 0.5 value. And we need to state the criterion as well. This 0.5 refers what? Majority of workers who earns, or majority of worker earns less than $70. Majority of workers do not does not majority of workers does not earn less than $70. Okay, so now level of significance alpha equals 0.05. Since this is we are performing as a right tail test because greater than sign is mentioned in the alternative hypothesis, therefore there is no need to divide alpha by 2. Test statistic is z, and we again are going to follow non-parametric z statistic, and in fact classical approach of hypothesis testing we are going to follow in this case p hat minus p divided by pq over n. That's we define the critical region as right tail we choose under the normal curve 0.05 significance, and 1.645 is the critical value. H naught would be rejected if z calculated exceeds 1.645, and then decision and conclusion we'll write down after getting results in the output of SPSS. So how do we perform this test? For this we need to again go to analyze non-parametric. In non-parametric we go to legacy dialogues, and in that category we can find binomial test as an option for proportion. So we take wages over there as a built-in value, test proportion value of 0.5 is already provided. What we do, we introduce a cutoff value that's mentioned in question number 5 of this lab task sheet. So $70 is the cutoff point. What software will do, software will create two categories automatically. That's how it is. Now we can see that less than or equal to 70, 57 workers are earning less than or equal to 70, whereas 43 workers are earning greater than $70. So 0.43 is P cap and 0.57 is Q cap. So 0.43 is the proportion of individuals who are earning greater than, so that's Q cap, because this is a failure. We are interested in the number of individuals who are earning less than 70. So less than 70 is 0.57. Now we substitute the value in the Z formula. No 0.57 minus P is mentioned as 0.50 in H naught divided by square root. 0.5 is the value of P, 0.5 is the value of Q, and divide this by 100. So this is how we can get Z value computed, and accordingly we will take our decision. So that's 0.57 minus 0.5 divided by 0.07 is the answer of the numerator. Square root of 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 and divided by 100 gives us 0.05 as our answer. Now 0.07 divided by 0.05 gives us 1.4 as the Z calculated value. And since the computed value of the test statistic is not falling in the rejection region, as it is less than 1.645, therefore H naught is not rejected. So this is the step, just the step of computation that we need to first go through. And now decision and conclusion. And decision and conclusion we write down as, since Z calculated does not fall in the rejection region, therefore H naught is not rejected, and it cannot be concluded that majority of workers earn less than $70. And that's all for this video.